place might seem just like a collector's place of foreign dolls and Indian dolls, but whereas it's much more than that. When Shankar set up this museum, it was not just to make a mere collection, but he had the soul of the country in mind when he did that. The dolls that he had collected, when he displayed them, and we found that, he found that every doll brought with it the history of its country, the geography of its country. So much so that at one point of time it came to be called as a mini United Nations because of all the number of dolls that we have here. He started off with 500, soon they became 1,000, because the moment he set up the museum, there were more embassy people who said, they also came forward. They said, my dolls are not represented here. So they came and gave dolls. And since slowly, today we have more than 7,000 dolls. These dolls that were displayed in the museum, they also sometimes needed repairs because of constant, cleaning. Sometimes something would go wrong. Some stitch would come out. Sometimes there was something else fixing required. So this workshop also helped as a clinic. Basically, you could call that a dolls clinic, a hospital where the dolls were sent, and then these dolls were repaired and put back in the museum. Today, we are proud to say that the dolls that are made in the workshop each doll is handcrafted after a lot of research. No two faces are the same, because as we know that India is so many states, so many cultures, so many features. The terrain is different, the culture is different, the way the people look at are very different. So you will have a Punjabi bride wearing something, but at the same time a Christian bride wearing something totally different. You will have a person coming from, say, Nagaland in this typical dress. So there's so much variety that you see, the facial features also. So there is a section of play dolls. But more than that, it's not, for us, it's just not seeing a doll as a toy, but it's much more than that. It represents a human being, it represents an area, a state, it represents a culture, it represents a custom. So we are happy rather that, this now you're doing this as a toy fair has come up, because we've had an opportunity to showcase that toys are just not playthings for a child. It kind of develops the child's complete being. So toy fair and this is an all-round personality. It's so important for children to play, and they have forgotten how to play nowadays, we find. So I find that this toy fair that has come at a very right time, because with all this pandemic and all that, children have forgotten how to play also.